Development of a pentagonal pyramid, base side 30 mm and axis length 60 mm. So first we have to draw orthographic of it. So first we'll draw XY line, and then we draw top and front view. So here I have to construct a pentagon of dimension 30 mm with respect to edge. Show the dimensions. Okay, so now it is an pentagonal pyramid, so we have to draw perpendicular bisectors here. Totally 5 perpendicular bisectors we have to construct. And then we have to retain only the slant edges which were coming from the corner. Using trim command we will erase it. Okay, now we can give the naming for it. A, B, C, D, E, O and O1. Okay. Now projecting the line upward, we can draw the front view of it. So here the axis length it is 60 mm. So the projection lines has to be thin lines. Okay. Okay, now I will select the axis length and I will give the dimension 60 mm. Okay, you can see there axis length 60 mm. Okay. We can connect it to get the front view of the pyramid. So front view of the pyramid, it is a triangular face. You can show the dimensions, and here you can see we know that the pyramids will be drawn with the slant edge length. Okay, true length here. So first we have to find out the true length here. So, okay. So before that I'll be mentioning its front view notations. Okay, so find out this is what the slant edge length. Okay, because OD is the parallel to XY line, that's why we should measure O dash D dash is our true length. Okay, so using this true length we have to construct. So true length we are having, that is 65.2. so first we have to draw an vertical line for 65.2 mm. Okay, then we have to measure this length. Okay, using arc by center method you can draw an arc. Okay, you can draw a larger arc so that we can able to cut 5 arcs here for a length of 30 mm. You can see each of these base edges are having 30 mm length, so we should give the radius 30, then cut the arc. The same way from that reference point again I'll be cutting. Okay, take exact point, again I have to give the radius 30 and then cut the arc. Okay, like that total 5 arcs I have to cut. Again 30. So again from that intersection point take, so you can extend this, so we require more arc length here, so just I will extend this length. Can cut the arc again for 30 mm length. Total 5 arcs we have to cut. Okay, now we can join all these arc points, okay, from that reference point to here, so we can join. So that arc which I have cutted, we should make it thin, okay, that because that is not our exact development, so just we take that as an reference. Okay, so we should extend it. I'll be using extend to next command to extend the arc. So again we have to go to line here, and we have to join from this reference point to here. Okay, so now we can give the naming. This is O point, and this should be written with the capital letters: capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, and capital A. Okay, so this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel, okay, and like this video, and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Okay, now we will develop a pentagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis length 50. So using radial line method. Okay, so we are going to develop that. So how we are going to develop, you can see in this problem I have already drawn the top and front view of a pentagonal pyramid. Okay, you can see here, so this is the true length, that is this length, that is O dash D dash. Because why it is true length means, you can see the end OD, it is parallel to this XY line. Okay, so parallel to this OD XY line, that's why this O dash D dash is the true length. So what we have to do in this problem is, first I will take one reference point here, okay, here. Then after that I'll be measuring this length, that is O dash true length I will consider, because we know the development of any of the solids we have to do with the true length. Okay, so I'm going to construct this, cut the arc. Okay, this is what the length, right? So that is from here to here. Okay, this is the length, true length. Now after that what we have to do, so using compass, we'll be measuring this length. Okay, and then we'll be drawing a small thin line, okay, okay, like this. Then after that, as we know that, so this each of these edges were 30 mm, so we'll be measuring 30. So any one of the edge you can measure, so that is 30. From here you can cut it for 5 points. So we can extend this, no problem. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, another line, so total 5 faces. We can extend it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, so totally 5 faces we get it here. So after this, what we have to do is you have to join these points. Okay. Okay, so you can see we have 5 faces because it is in pentagonal pyramid, 1 2 3 4 5. So after this, what you have to do is we have to connect these end points with the straight line. Okay, like this, because it is a pyramid. Okay, and then rub this curve, okay, which we have drawn in the beginning. So we have to rub it. Okay, now we can give the naming. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and again E. So this completes the pentagonal pyramid, that is development of pentagonal pyramid using radial line method.